Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got the Vegan Kind lifestyle box. This is the heaviest one we've had in a long time. Very heavy, and you can see how heavy it is by the fact that the box is like all dinted because there's something in it very heavy. I can't remember how much this is. I paid for this myself. This is not PR in any way, shape or form. I have my own subscription for this and the beauty box from the Vegan Kind. They always have an offer on their website. If you just click on it on the website, you'll see there's a code that says use the code vegan and you get £5 off any box. Nothing to do with me. They just do that off your first box. This is because it's the lifestyle box. You get snacks, you get food. I've had a calendar before, I've had some bamboo cutlery, you get all different things. So let's have a look. So this is the box. I'm on the landing because the fucking neighbour's dog is being a dickhead, and then the kids are in the background, in the back garden being noisy, and so I'm having to just like literally just on the landing outside the toilet. But the light's okay and there's no noise. So it's a fucking dog again, I swear. So welcome to your March lifestyle box. This month's box is packed with yummy goodies and a couple of very exciting brand new releases. The Vegan Kind Plus is a membership scheme which gives you discounts at over 2,500 products. That's exciting. You also always get vegan cream eggs. They look good. Dark chocolate, golden syrup, plant milk, icing sugar, yellow food colouring and a mould. They look amazing. I might try and make some. They look well good. You always get a recipe card and you can put it in a little binder which you can order from their website. This box is full. Look. So it says, what we got? Lentil bites, tomato and herb, Fairfields Farm, 99 calories. I don't really like tomato crisps, so I'm not going to open these. But I think the kids will like them. Where are you? 75p. Fairfields Farm lentil bites. Oh, I do love lentil bites though. I didn't read lentil. Or I did, but my brain's not registering it because the dog over the road is hissing me off. Yeah, tomato and herb lentil bites. They're gluten-free and vegan, which is lovely. And 99 calories per bag. Next, Buttermilk Chalky Peanutsters. Peanutsters, something sticky. There's something sticky in here and it's exploded. Yuck. You can see it all over the back of here. These look like peanut M&Ms. That's what I think they're meant to be. Buttermilk Chalky Peanuts, that's £3. Chalky coated peanuts in a crunchy shell. When it comes to choosing or sharing a treat, Buttermilk believe that you shouldn't have to compromise on taste or quality. The deliciously inclusive range of dairy-free treats made from responsibly sourced natural ingredients. Packaged in plastic-free and compostable materials. The treats are protected in a compostable plastic-free pouch. Either pop it in your regular bin or curbside bio-waste bin and it will be converted into CO2, water and biomass. That's lovely. I don't want to open them though. I don't fancy them at the moment. Oh, this is broken. This is broken and everything is sticky. Really sticky. This is a Nairn's Spicy Oat Cakes Peri Peri. Bye bye bland boring basic lunchtimes. Hello Nairn's Spicy Oat Cakes. Full size box of these is £1.40. Packed full of whole grain oats grown in Scotland and bursting with peri peri flavour. These are Nairn's but not as you know them. Peri peri spicy oat cakes are really good for dipping. I'm going to have a little try. I think this has literally just been chucked around by the postman and so something's broken and this has just exploded over everything. Oh, they smell good. Oops. I'm literally just sticky. Those are really good. I wouldn't know. I don't think I'd know it was peri peri. I'd probably guess it like something cheesy. But they're really good. Yummy. Okay, next I've got some hand wash, milk and honey. Astonish Protect and Care Milk and Honey Hand Wash, £1.25. With essence of milk and honey and added moisturiser to leave hands. Oh, there's a bit of spice. There's an aftertaste of spice with those. They are good. They leave your hands delicately soft. I'm going to give this to Mika, because who's my eldest, because she has had a really bad reaction to the hand sanitizer they use at school, and her hands have been like red raw, so she's had to take her own one in, and she needs some nice gentle stuff, so I'll give her that. Next I've got ranch dressing, only plant-based ranch dressing. I love ranch dressing, that's like my favourite. £2.95. Everyone loved only plant-based last time we featured in a box, so we're really excited to share this one. It's the classic taste of the American style, rich and creamy. Perfect for pizzas, great with nachos, use it on dips and sandwiches. Let's have a taste, because I bloody love ranch dressing. Mmm. Oh, that is well good. Oh, it's got a nice tang to it. That is yummy. Oh my god, that's so good. That is delicious. Ben's gonna want to steal that. Next, I've got some vegan truffle eggs. These are, oh my god, those oat cakes dipped in that. Oh, they'll be banging. What are you? The truffles, truffles. £1.99. That can't be for that. That can't be for that size. There's like 6 eggs in there. £1.99 for 6 teeny tiny eggs. Rhythm 108, the Swiss patisserie brand behind your favourite vegan, organic, gluten-free treats, have brought back their much-loved Easter truffle eggs. Created by Rhythm's 108 team of Swiss patissiers, using a unique blend of tradition and craftsmanship. The truffle eggs have a delicious Swiss milk chocolate shell filled with truffle ganache, making them a perfect eater's delight. They sound yummy, but £1.99 for 6 teeny tiny eggs is ridiculous. Okay, the thing that has exploded is this, which is very smashed and manky. That is a Mummy Meg's Chucky egg, £1.49. Mummy Meg's Chucky vegan cream egg lets you enjoy your favourite childhood Easter treat while avoiding the animal products. The indulgent vegan cream egg is the perfect solution for sweet tooth vegans with dairy allergies who miss biting into the sticky chocolate cream egg. I don't like cream eggs, so I don't mind that it's broken, because I wouldn't have eaten that anyway, but I'm sure Ben or the kids would have done. And the last thing in here is Full Green Best Morning Ever apple and cinnamon plant-based breakfast with real fruit and coconut. So you get 2 of them. You get Best Morning Ever coconut, banana, or apple and cinnamon. And it is, start your day right with a new kind of veggie breakfast from Full Green, made with 100% fruit and veg, dairy and oat free. What the fuck is it then? What is it? Rice cauliflower, coconut milk, apple, date, thickener, lemon and cinnamon. I'm not sure. It looks gross in the bottom. Looks like baby food. Just add toppings. Serve your toppings, your choice. Get a chance to win a £100 shopping voucher from the vegan kind by tagging your Best Morning Ever breakfast creations on Instagram. Yeah, you microwave it or you do it in a saucepan. Does not appeal to me. That literally looks like baby food. Fox might like it. But he is a baby. That does not appeal to me in the slightest. But the oat cakes and the dressing, amazing. Absolutely amazing. Really, really happy with those. Probably my least favourite box we've had in a while from the vegan kind. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, if you like this video, do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.